What is so remarkable of Marble Plus is that it shows the elegance and luxury feel of marble, but still keeps the exceptional performance of unglazed porcelain tile. Incredible color, detail and veining are uniquely and beautifully reproduced on every tile. The vivid colors are achieved through the digital printing process with soluble salt, which also creates a protective layer that adds resistance to the tile. Most designs are full-body, looping veins crossing their entire thickness, reflect natural shades and colors, making each marble slab something unique and unrepeatable. Marble Plus is a product thought to be used in the totality of a project. Dongpeng provides infinitive cutting possibilities, from special mosaic sizes to indoor and outdoor solutions such as skirtings and steps. Some of these innovative improvements include a high stain-resistant surface with slippery resistance that make the product suitable for both exterior and interior applications. Through the years, we have consolidated a long partnership with Dongpeng. Their cutting-edge technology and wide range of stunning quality products have fit the needs of each and every one of our worldwide projects. Their compromise as an ecological enterprise assures that the product they deliver respects the environment as well as your home. Marble Plus is not an exception. It is indeed recyclable and therefore more ecological than marble. After all, it brings the perfection of nature.